Lombok again, but today we're not going to be exploring the mainland. As you can see, we're on a boat here. We're going to be doing an island hopping tour. Then we're going to 3 islands down south. I'm not really sure what the islands are like, I haven't seen much of them, but we're going on this private boat and it cost us like $35 each. So yeah, it's pretty cheap because, like I said, private boat and it's a whole day tour. We just got on the boat now in Senggigi. I think it's going to take 2 hours to get there, so yeah, hopefully it's worth it. So we have arrived on the first island of the trip. This is called Gili Nanggu, and I think this is like the most popular one. I've been mentioning Gili a lot in these vlogs. It means small island in Indonesian, so that's why they all have Gili before the name. So you can see it looks pretty amazing here. Over there as well you have another island, little island, and there you can see the mainland of Lombok. So we're actually really close to the mainland, so probably if you get a scooter down to the port down here, down south, you can probably just come here really cheap on a boat with a local or something. But since we were coming all the way from Senggigi in the north, that's why it ended up being $35 per person. So anyway, we're gonna snorkel now. We got our snorkel gear, and yeah, we'll see if there's a lot of cool fish here. A lot of people snorkeling. Got a pretty good variety of different fish here. Probably the biggest variety that I've seen so far here around Lombok and the other Gili Islands. So that's pretty cool. And I don't know if I mentioned before, they give us about an hour. So yeah, you get quite a long time to stay here. But me and Carol just realized that we'd done something stupid, so we didn't realize we pretty much have no money at all. So on this island, they charged us 10,000 each to come on the island. But if the other islands are going to charge us money, we don't have anything. We don't have anything for lunch either, so yeah, we'll have to see what happens. It looks like the Philippines Islands, right?
Yeah, very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Look at that, man. And here comes our boat. So just to update you on the situation, we basically had $10 US, so we're now on an island called Gili Sudak, which is the island to have lunch. and they accepted for us to just pay with the $10. The food was around $10 anyway, so yeah, I think we're okay. So the island looks really nice. Check this out. Another really relaxing island. Okay, thank you. And I think after this we're going to that little island over there. Chaos Carol. It was funny, the boat driver doesn't speak really English, so it's kind of chaos trying to explain to him why we don't have money. Guys, check out the size of this fish. Got some rice. Carol didn't get as much as me. Yeah, definitely the biggest fish I've eaten so far. Pretty quickly, so I think we got about 30 to 40 minutes to just stay on this island still before we head over to that one over there. That seems to be the deal pretty much, that you get like an hour on each island, so 3 hours of island time overall. And some of you might be wondering where the drone is. If you watch one of my previous videos, you'll know that the drone is sleeping with the fishes. When I was in southern Lombok, yeah, it fell out of the sky, I don't know why. So yeah, I don't have a drone right now. That's why you're not getting the cool aerials. Here would obviously be beautiful because you have like the different shades of blue and everything. Perfect for a drone. I'm pretty gutted, but yeah, if any of you didn't watch that video, that's why there's no drone shots right now. When I head to Bali, I'll be able to buy one there. I tried to buy one here in Lombok in the mall, but they don't have any drones here, so yeah, we'll just have to wait. Look at this though, absolutely amazing. Carol, what have you found?
Lots of starfish over here.
Over there?
Yeah.
Whoa, there's loads. Is all that starfish as well?
Yeah, I think so.
No way. Never seen that many before. Check this out, guys. What's the name of that island?
Yeah, look at this.
Gili Cadis?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna head to that last island now, and I think it's called Gili Cadis. So we're on the last island of the snorkeling trip, just as beautiful as the other islands, you can see. Kind of rocky here, basically on like a lump of sand, tiny lump of sand. And right now I'm just being lazy and sunbathing. Carol's out there somewhere snorkeling. Probably when she comes back I'll go for the last snorkeling session of the day and see how it is around here. it's been a really good day trip. Like I said, it wasn't really expensive for a private boat, and all the islands, they just weren't busy at all. Pretty much like everywhere else in Lombok. And yeah, just some great snorkeling. And the ocean was some of probably the most beautiful that we've seen here in Lombok. So I'd say it's definitely worth it. I think you can probably get there quicker if you come from like the south. We came from up north, obviously. And tomorrow we're actually going to be heading back to the Gili Islands. I think Gili Trawangan. I'm not going to film that. Obviously I've already made videos of those islands, but we enjoyed it so much that we decided just to go back, chill out, not vlog or anything. And then I think after that, the next videos were probably from the Nusa Islands, like Nusa Penida and stuff, because we got to head back to Bali now, because we're going to be leaving. So yeah, I think the next videos will be from the Nusa Islands. And as always, if you like the video, just drop me a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.